On 5 July 2012, Kosmonaugas Drilling and Services has concluded the contract for the construction of the first jackup drilling rig in Kazakhstan with Yersai Caspian Contractor LLC and its consortium partner COMC. The rig named Sati is a mobile offshore drilling unit designed in Singapore to operate in the shallow water of Caspian Sea with a drilling depth capacity up to 6,000 meters. The rig total weight is 10,800 tons and consists of a triangular hull 64 meters wide and 72 meters long, fitted with 3 triangular truss legs 119 meters high. The JUDR has drilling block, living quarters, heliport and rescue systems available in case of emergency evacuation. The rig has been specifically designed to meet strict zero-discharge environmental protection requirements. During the construction in Yersai Yard needed more than 600 people at the peak of construction, including 10 subcontractors for specialist activities. The construction consisted of several key stages. After the contract award, the partners have placed the orders for the steel and other materials. On November 2012, Yersai commenced the prefabrication and assembly activities of the hull blocks and living quarters structures inside the main shelter. The erection was finished in the dry dock on February 2014. Prior to the completion of the hull erection, in November 2013, Yersai installed the oversized equipment in the hull, electrical panels, generators, mud pumps, etc. The main worldwide original equipment manufacturers have been involved for the JUDR construction. For example, main generators, legs and jacking system has been delivered from Singapore. Mud pumps and air compressor system from USA. Traveling block from Canada. Deck cranes from Malaysia. Firefighting equipment from Denmark. Living quarters outfittings from Korea. The coordination of the promptitude of delivery of all equipment was one of the most difficult challenges of this project. In November 2013, Yersai commenced the assembly of the main leg components. In particular, the first leg sections were welded to the spud cans. The erection of the 4 sections of the legs was successfully completed on February 2015. This kind of works was of a high complexity, as it was an installation of 300 tons leg sections at 90 meters height by tandem lift with Yersai main cranes. The installation of the living quarters, pre-assembled in 3 main sub-blocks, was completed at the end of April 2014. The steel frame structure of the helideck was installed during November 2014. On 20th May 2014, the successful startup of the main generators took place. This was essential to energize the rig and to allow the pre-commissioning phase of the works to commence. During June 2014, the rig was moved within the dry dock area to prove final draft prior to launching to required parameters under the contract. On 17th December 2014, the drilling unit was transported by sea from Aktau to Yersai Yard. The drilling unit was installed onto the hull a few days later. Installation work was unique in that the drilling block was installed as a completely built unit for the first time. The formidable challenge that faced us was how to install the structure weighing 1,500 tons onto movable hull within the accuracy of 6 millimeters. To achieve the aim was used the skidding system for the movement of the drilling block. There were no world analogs for this type of assembly method of the JUDR, but the Yersai team has honorably carried out the assigned task. On 19th April 2015, the jackup drilling rig Sati in front of the client was launched and transported from the dry dock to the Yersai jetty. The complexity of the dry dock launching was that water level in the dry dock was higher than in adjacent waters by more than 1 meter and significantly drops down at the canal opening by failing to provide necessary depth of 3.4 meters. sea bottom survey has been done to address that problem, and later on necessary dredging operations has been executed. On 27 May 2015, the rig was placed in a jack-up position at the center of Yersai Yard Jetty. This was successfully executed following a dredging campaign of the jetty seabed for the avoidance of the caving risk under the load. During 2015, Yersai has carried on the final testing and commissioning of the Sati jack-up drilling rig. The commissioning of the drilling block unit has been performed with the assistance of the company National Oil Well Varco, NOV. The living quarters have been successfully installed and completed with all final architectural detail. The JUDR project has again confirmed that Yersai is the leading oil-gas service company in Kazakhstan, capable to perform technically challenging projects at the highest level. Yersai, tough projects in safe hands.